Which sea lies between Ukraine and Turkey? Red Sea, Black Sea, Baltic Sea, Caspian Sea. The correct answer is Black Sea. Which city is famously known as the City of Canals? Venice, Amsterdam, Bangkok, Bruges. The correct answer is Venice. What do we call a group of stars that forms a recognizable pattern in the sky? Galaxy, constellation, nebula, cluster. The correct answer is constellation. Which organ is the first to form in a developing embryo? Brain, heart, liver, lungs. The correct answer is heart. Which famous musician's mansion was known as Graceland? Elvis Presley, Frank Sinatra, Johnny Cash, Jim Morrison. The correct answer is Elvis Presley. How many equal sides does a scalene triangle have? 1, 2, 3, none. The correct answer is none. Which fairy tale character could spin straw into gold? Cinderella, Rumpelstiltskin, Rapunzel, Sleeping Beauty. The correct answer is Rumpelstiltskin. What is the region in space where gravity is so strong that even light cannot escape? Wormhole, black hole, supernova, nebula. The correct answer is black hole. What is the traditional name for a group of witches? Flock, coven, pack, circle. The correct answer is coven. What are the pointed grips on sports shoes used to prevent slipping on grass called? Nails, crampons, cleats, stud glue. The correct answer is cleats. What name is given to bird and bat droppings used as fertilizer? Compost, guano, mulch, humus. The correct answer is guano. The alliance between Germany and Italy in World War II was known as the Pact of the Steel, Honor, Eagles, Swords. The correct answer is steel. Which tube connects the middle ear to the throat? Carotid tube, Eustachian tube, bronchial tube, pharyngeal duct. The correct answer is Eustachian tube. Who wrote the Winnie the Pooh books? C.S. Lewis, A. Milne, Roald Dahl, Beatrix Potter. The correct answer is A. Milne. Which city is the capital of Zambia? Harare, Lusaka, Sanaa, Hanoi. The correct answer is Lusaka.